In a world where the unexpected is just around the corner, a good dashcam isn't just a gadget, it's your road guardian. In this video, I'll guide you through the top 5 dashcams on the market, guaranteeing you'll never have to fret over the security of your vehicle again. For the best deals on these dashcams, you can check out the links in the video description. But remember, the products featured here are not ranked in any particular order, so make sure to watch the whole video to find the dashcam that's right for you. Vane On Dash N4. Let's dive into the world of dashcams with the Vane On Dash N4, a marvel of modern technology designed to be your eyes on the road, capturing every moment with unmatched clarity. This triple-threat dashcam brings a new level of security and fun to your driving experiences. Imagine capturing the road ahead in glorious 4K with the front camera, ensuring every detail is crisp and clear. But the N4 doesn't stop there. It also keeps an eye inside the car, catching those sing-along sessions and heart-to-heart conversations with an interior camera. And with the rear camera, you're protected from tailgaters and have extra help while reversing, making every drive safer and more enjoyable. The N4 boasts a sleek design that's both discreet and powerful. Its compact size belies its capabilities, seamlessly integrating into your car's interior without being a distraction. The 2.45-inch IPS color display is your window into what the cameras see, providing instant feedback and easy navigation through the footage. With options for 1440p 3-channel recording or stepping up to 4K in 2-channel mode, the N4 ensures every journey is captured in stunning detail, from epic landscapes to the more mundane moments that make up our daily drives. Priced affordably, the N4 offers comprehensive coverage without breaking the bank. Add the GPS mount for a nominal fee, and you enhance its functionality, making it not just a dashcam but a journey-enhancing companion. The Vane On Dash N4 isn't just another gadget. It's a vital piece of your driving kit, ensuring every trip is documented, every memory is saved, and every moment on the road is captured in vivid detail. Vane S1 Pro. Meet the Vane S1 Pro, a top-notch dashcam that promises to be your reliable partner on every journey. This little device is not just about recording the road ahead, it's about bringing peace of mind and a sense of security whenever you hit the road. The Vane S1 Pro comes equipped with a powerful front camera boasting a Sony Starvis 2 IMX675-5M ultra-low light sensor. This means it captures videos in stunning 2.5K resolution. Imagine catching every detail, from street signs to license plates in crystal clear quality. And there's more. The rear camera isn't left behind, offering 1080p recording with a 2-megapixel Sony Starvis night vision sensor. This dynamic duo ensures nothing goes unnoticed, whether coming or going. What sets the S1 Pro apart is its sleek design. It's compact and discreet, fitting perfectly in your car without blocking your view. It's like having a secret agent on board, silently documenting every important moment of your drive. But the S1 Pro is more than just a pretty face. It features built-in GPS, which does a lot more than just pinpoint your location. It tracks your route and speed and even embeds the date and time on your videos. This level of detail can be invaluable, especially when you need evidence to back up your side of the story. And let's talk about its resilience. The S1 Pro is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, thanks to its supercapacitor. Whether it's the heat of summer or the cold of winter, this dashcam won't let you down. Lastly, its night vision capabilities are second to none. The S1 Pro can illuminate the darkest scenes, making sure you never miss a thing, even after the sun goes down. Plus, with the ability to support up to a 512 GB 3-speed micro SD card, you'll have plenty of space to store all your adventures. Halfway through, and I hope you're finding this guide useful. If you are, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Let's jump back into the list. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. A marvel in the dashcam world that demonstrates size doesn't dictate power. This tiny powerhouse, easily mistaken for a car key fob, is a giant in performance, ready to capture your road stories with surprising clarity. The Mini 2 shines with its simplicity, appealing to those who love minimalism without compromising on quality. Installation is a breeze, allowing the device to seamlessly integrate behind your rearview mirror, recording every drive in full HD. With its 140-degree wide lens, it misses nothing, ensuring every fleeting moment is caught. Featuring intuitive voice control, the Mini 2 acts as your hands-free co-pilot, responding to voice commands for recording, saving videos, or taking pictures. This feature allows you to stay focused on the road, enhancing safety and convenience. What truly makes the Mini 2 stand out is its affordability, offering top-tier security without a hefty price tag. It's designed for easy transfer between vehicles, making it perfect for families with more than one car. Despite lacking some features like a built-in GPS or display, its core functionality, crisp, reliable footage, makes it a formidable choice. AOME M300S 4K Dashcam. Introducing the AOME M300S 4K Dashcam, a powerhouse in the world of automotive safety and documentation, and a marvel in automotive safety, transforming driving with its advanced technology and crystal-clear recording. This compact device excels with a dual camera system that captures the road in 4K and the rear in full HD, ensuring every detail is visible from license plates to fleeting moments. The M300S's built-in 5.8G Wi-Fi allows for instant video access on mobile devices via the AOME app, making it easy to review footage anytime. Its integrated GPS tracks every journey with detailed route information, enhancing playback with the AOME GPS player. Ready straight out of the box, the M300S includes a 64 GB microSD card, simply formatted as recommended to start documenting your travels. Voice control offers hands-free operation, responding to commands for recording, saving videos, or taking pictures, adding convenience and safety to your drive. Its 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens and superior night vision ensure comprehensive coverage and clear recordings in all lighting conditions. A 24-hour parking monitor safeguards your vehicle by automatically recording during collisions, protecting crucial footage. With loop recording, the dashcam manages storage efficiently, continuously recording new footage. Besides being a dashcam, the AOME M300S is a complete safety tool, providing peace of mind on every journey and ensuring you're always prepared, day or night, moving or parked. Vane N4 Pro. Rounding off our journey through the latest and greatest dashcams of 2024, we meet the Vane N4 Pro, a titan in the realm of tri-channel rideshare dashcams. This gadget is a testament to superior engineering, offering unmatched video quality and a suite of features designed for the discerning driver. With Starvis 2 technology at its core, the N4 Pro's front camera captures every detail of the road in super high resolution, ensuring crisp footage around the clock. Meanwhile, the interior and rear cameras provide comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings, leaving no angle unmonitored. Highlights of the N4 Pro include its 4K or UHD resolution for crystal clear images, enhanced night vision for low-light conditions, and robust 24-hour parking monitoring to catch any incidents while you're away from your car. Despite its powerful capabilities, the N4 Pro maintains a compact design, easily blending into your car's interior without obstructing your view. The dashcam's 3-inch screen and intuitive controls make operation a breeze, while its ability to withstand extreme temperatures ensures reliability no matter where your travels take you. Although it lacks direct app connectivity, accessing your footage is straightforward, either directly on the device or through a microSD card reader. Backed by an 18-month warranty, the Vane N4 Pro stands as a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience with top-tier surveillance and peace of mind. Which dashcam feature is a must-have for you, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful or learned something new, hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to check the description for links to get the latest deals on all the dashcams we've talked about today. The products featured here are not ranked in any particular order, so choose what's right for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.